Okay, so now we are going to make the standoffs for the door handle. I will rough cut these a little bit longer than I know I need them to be. I think now just looking at this, we're also going to first turn this down just a little bit to get a nice finish, because you can see that raw stock is not really a nice finish. So we're going to turn this down to get a nice uniform finish. We'll rough cut them. After they're rough cut, we'll put them back in the lathe to finish cut the length by just simply taking the rough cut dimension, subtracting our finish length dimension, and that will then allow us to mill off the end right here in the lathe with a facing operation. Then we'll drill a hole through the center to receive an M5.8 fastener. That M5.8 fastener will go through the door leaf from the back side. And then through the center hole that we drilled here, we will mill a flat on this piece right here in the end mill. And then this face will sit up against that flat, and it'll all just sort of pull together. We'll use Loctite on that to lock in the thread so it doesn't wiggle loose. There's two options available to people. If we had more foresight and we weren't just going quickly and freehanding this machining process, we would have taken this diameter to a known end mill diameter, say like M20 for instance, a 20 millimeter end mill. Then we could have taken that end mill and effectively created a half moon on the end of these standoffs, which would have then given us a nice sort of cleaner connection between the two. In this case, since we again freehanded this, and this is just a random diameter, we're going to be forced to have to mill a flat onto this piece so that we can have a nice positive contact, and so that the assembly doesn't rock. And that's that. To the point where I'm just going to break something. See, that's lifting the part up. Yeah. Chamfer the edge.